Shelby got awarded, yay, for the social media training. And, this is outside of just being for travel agents. We have it focused on travel agents, but it's transferable skills to any business, really, any small business. So I did go through and improve the social media training courses as well. So I'll have a quick look here. Social media for travel agents. That's the first video. This is the first one, the big one that Shelby had done. I added the Nest Fest video. There's another social media marketing for Viator. So Viator has a video on how to do social media marketing directly with the Viator links. Carnival Cruise also gave a really good webinar training on how to get social, so how they want you to promote on social. I put together a collection of Shelby's quick tips, like Facebook privacy settings, the difference between timeline, newsfeed, add as a favorite so that other people can see your posts and get notified, new chat bubbles. So there's tons in here. And then tools. So there's a video training on each one of these tools for social media. Branch Up was the first one. Social Connect through Travel Savers. Vax has a social media toolkit as well. We like Flowcode. We like Postly. We like TidyCal. We like PFP Maker for profile pictures. We like Remove Background. Snappa is really good for images for when you're posting on social. It's very easy. And then there's Canva, which has tons more. It's more advanced, but you would use one or the other to make images to post on social. Wise Stamp is a free app for email signatures. Log in and you give it a logo and you give it your number and it just creates an email signature for you. So a very quick way to make it standard. And there's some intermediate social media training in here as well, and advanced if you want to get into paid ads, but we don't necessarily recommend paid ads. Focus on the free stuff. And all these ebooks and all these PowerPoint presentations are all here for you as well. So there's a TikTok user's guide, LinkedIn, best days and best times to post on social is all scientifically measured for engagement. So tons of stuff in there. So